Getting started with a multi-importer is really easy. If you just go to Start Here, you can see all the instructions how to do this, and it'll help you to understand the menus. But let's just get into it. We'll just start with a feed, add a feed, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the Verge. Easy. Just give it a name, save the feed, and you'll notice that you can also put it under a category. If you have categories, assign it to a blog user. And if you have a media image, you can choose which one it is. Also, now you get a feed preview that also tell you that there's images here. That's what's going on. You can see what that means here. An image exists in the content. If there's nothing there, then it means there's nothing there. Well, once it's in here, then all you have to do is if you want to see it on the website, you just use shortcode and we'll just refresh this and off we go. There's the feed. And it's really easy to do because you just go to shortcode, and if you click on shortcode, which we've done, you can actually change a lot of different options. For example, what I've got here is I've got like, I don't want, I want to change the options so that those images are really big. So I'm just going to like click there and save the settings. And then you'll see that this will just change accordingly. And you get nice um, pictures. And you can do the same thing with the auto post. Like if you just click over here to auto post, you can start bringing in your posts, and there's a lot of different options here. And you can categorize them and send them to blog categories. And, let's just click the feeds now, and we'll basically have them put into the database. And so we'll see there's our feeds that have come in, and then those will go right into your blog post. So you see here they come in, and I've got a whole bunch of feeds that have come in as blog posts. There's the 4 when that just kind of came in. So there's a lot of different options that you can do. You can go into diagnostics and you can make sure that your feeds are working. Good news, there's no errors there. You can export the feeds, and you can export them as a text file or even as an RSS feed, and a whole lot of other things like go into categories. You can actually put in default images for your categories. You can filter on these different categories to exclude words and put in post-category tags. And so there's a lot of things to explore. And then finally, you can just upload feeds with RSS and do all sorts of things like that. So enjoy this free plugin that gives you everything you need to bring in multiple RSS feeds.